Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so installation won't fail. Check that you're on Linux or Mac OS with 64-bit kernel and at least 2 GB RAM. This matters because Foobar uses native extensions. Once confirmed, install libfoo v2, 1 and Python 3. 9+, do not skip build essential tools. Then download Foobar only way. tar. GZ into ~downloads so files are centralized. Now change to that directory and prepare to extract. This is the first actionable step that gets the process moving. Once done extracting, you run /configure with prefix equals /usr /local /foobar so Foobar installs in a single predictable location. This matters for permissions and future upgrades. If configure reports missing libraries, install them now and rerun configure. Then compile using make j4 to speed up builds and run make test to validate behavior, fix failing tests rather than ignoring them. Finally, edit conf. YAML to set API key, port, and log level. These settings determine security and runtime. You now start the service with sudo systemctl start foobar. Service and enable auto start so it recovers after reboots. Make sure to verify by curling http://localhost, port/health. An OK response confirms the app is reachable. If something goes wrong, check /var/log/foobar. Log and run Foobar debug to see runtime errors. The most common fix is a missing libfoo symlink, so create it and restart. If permissions block startup, adjust ownership and try again. This final step closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.